It's good. That's number 9. We have 2 more questions for today. Probably going to end early, but it's totally fine. We did a lot of math today. So it says, what value of x will make the triangle similar by the SSS similarity theorem? So let's do, here's 10. So we have 2 triangles here. One triangle is 22, 22, and x. And I have another triangle here. The size, it's not to scale, obviously. 15, 10, and 10 here. It's asking us what value of x will make this triangular similar by SSS similarity theorem. So when we talk about SSS similarity theorem, we're talking it's side, 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 right? So SSS is side, side, side. Where did my pen go here? There we go. SSS similarity theorem states that sides, basically all sides, have to be are proportional in order for us to assume that the triangle is similar. All sides are proportional for triangle to be similar. So what we can do with with this one here is that we have 22 and 22 and 10 and 10 here. So we can assume that that is going to be my ratio here, right? I have 22 and 22, and then I have 10 and 10. So these two sides are good already. So these 2 sides are good. So the bottom of the base of the triangle is good. The one of the sides is good here. So I can say this ratio is correct. It's 10 to 22 here will be the ratio, right? So I'm going to set up a ratio and say the proportion is from basically from triangle 1 to triangle 2. So this is 10 over 22, which is kind of our ratio here. 10 one side here over 22 equals, it would be equal, again, this side over this side, right? So 15 over x here. 15 over x, because that's what we're solving for, right? So again, these top 2 terms are from triangle EFG. EFG over, this is from IHJ here, triangle IHJ. So these 2, again, I'm just creating simply a proportion in order for us to solve for this x value here. So let's solve this. We would cross multiply to solve for this here. So I have 10 times x, which is simply just 10x, and then 15 times 22 would give me 330. Again, in order for us to cross multiply, it's 10 times x here and 22 times 15 here. To get us this algebraic equation here, I can divide both sides by 10 here. Okay, x equals 330 divided by 10 would give me 33. So x would equal 33 for this side to make the triangles similar by side similarity theorem here. So as you can see, they also made a I believe they made, yes, they also made a proportion here. 22 over 10 equals x over 15. That's the exact same thing as mine, except they used the reciprocal, so they flipped it. So they wrote, instead of 10 over 22, they wrote 22 over 10 equals x over 15. Doesn't matter. It'll still give us this kind of algebraic equation here, which is 10x equals 330 divided by 10 here, and therefore x equals 33. So this solution here is correct. Solution is correct. Great analysis. Solution is correct for equals 33. That's good. That was number 10. And finally, our last question of the day.